Hello students, कैसे हैं आप सभी? Myself Dr. Olomal, Assistant Professor of Political Science. I have started a free online education, a free online lecture series for the particular BA student and Political Science subject series. Today we are discuss about the BA first year topic Foundation of Political Science subject syllabus, and today we are discuss about the basic political problem in India. So terrorism. Today we are discuss about the it is the main political problem in India. What is the political problem in India? Terrorism, casteism, nationalism, regionalism, corruption, etc. But today we are discuss about the important political problem in India, terrorism. And this topic is very important for the BA first year political science student as well as UPSC student and UGC NET student also. Clear? So what is the terrorism? Terrorism, what is the simple meaning of terrorism? Use the violence. Use the violence, some groups or peoples for their political demand and purpose. Use the violence from some political institutions, from groups, from persons for their political selfishness, for their political demand, for their political purpose. Use the violence and killing the peoples of the country for their political arguments, political developments, political demands, political demands. Killing the peoples. Second, use the violence. Clear? So it is the meaning of terrorism. Now, next topic is what is the main reason of terrorism? What is the main reason of terrorism? So there are four main reasons for the spread of terrorism problem in India. There are four reasons. Four factors for the spreading the terrorism in India. Number one is political reason. Some political groups, parties basically emphasize on the violence for their political selfishness, election purpose. So number one is political issues. Number one reason for the terrorism. Number one is political selfishness. For the anyhow condition gain the authority, power, and development the new government. Clear? Number second is social. Some social groups, when they are discuss about their inequality between upper class and lower class, so then there some groups emphasize on their change their psychology, poor peoples basically, and brainwash. And poor people and brainwashed peoples basically use the violence and terrorism. For example, nationalism. Nationalite problem is the social problem. Clear? And number third is economic problem. Economic reason. Whenever the spread the unemployment, whenever the in this particular country, basically poor countries and developing countries and developed countries, we have seen that undeveloped is a very important issue. Clear? So economic issue, money matter. Some young peoples emphasize their selfishness, they gain their money from this sides, from this way. Clear? They don't emphasize on the hard work. And unemployment, jobless peoples also connect to these types of groups. Clear? And last is an important part is religious. Some religious groups emphasize on fascist ideology, and some religious groups emphasize on the communal harmony. So, religion is not a reason for the terrorism, but some religious groups, for example, Lashkar-e-Toiba, Al-Qaeda, they are emphasized on the particular religion and superiority of the particular religion on the other religions. Clear? So four are the main reason for the terrorism. Number one is political reason, gain the political power and development their new government. political selfishness. Number second is social reason, inequality. Number third is economic reason, jobless people and unemployed peoples and greedy peoples also emphasize on this terrorism. Economic problem. And number last, religions. Some regional groups emphasize on the security of their own region. Clear? So these are the main reasons for the terrorism. Now we discuss about what is the effect of terrorism. What is the effect of terrorism? Effect of terrorism. Number one is social effect. Terrorism attack on our social unity. Whenever some social groups attack our society, then we are seeing that the social unity is destroyed. Number one. Number second, religious effect. Because terrorism emphasizes on the security of particular religion. So this is the against the secularism. So destroy the secular ideology. Number third is economic. Terrorist groups and their attacks destroy the economic development of a particular country, especially poor countries and undeveloped countries and developing countries. And number four is human. Terrorism basically affect on the human life. Many people died in terrorist attacks in India. Clear? So these are the main effect of the terrorism: social effect, religion effect, economic effect, and human life effect. Because we have destroyed the various human lives in the terrorist attack in India. Clear? So next is, what is the main groups of terrorist groups in India? Number one is JNK, Jammu Kashmir. In JNK, basically Pakistani government and ISI and army emphasize on these types of terrorist groups. For example, in Jammu Kashmir, Hizbul Mujahideen. Number two, Lashkar-e Toiba. Clear? And number third is Al-Qaeda. Hizbul Mujahideen, Lashkar-e Toiba, and Al-Qaeda. Al-Qaeda connected to the Osama bin Laden. Hizbul Mujahideen, Hafiz Saeed, Salahuddin. These are the important main terrorist groups in the Jammu Kashmir. They are connected to the Pakistani government and ISI and army. Some terrorist groups develop in their place